Are you looking to become a better learner? In this video, I will be sharing some easy strategies that you can use to become a learning machine. These strategies are simple to implement and can make a big difference in how quickly and effectively you learn. Let's get started on the first 3 ways to becoming a learning machine. Number 1. Developing a growth mindset. Number 2. Developing effective study habits. Number 3. Applying learning to real-world situations. Developing a growth mindset is all about shifting your perspective on learning. Instead of seeing mistakes as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. When it comes to developing a growth mindset, here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1. Focus on the process and not just the outcome. Number 2. Embrace challenges and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Number 3. Celebrate your success no matter how small they may seem. Now let's go to number 2. Developing effective study habits. One of the most important things you can do to improve your study is to find a routine that works for you. For some people, they might mean finding a quiet place to study and setting aside specific times each day to focus on learning. For others, it might mean studying in short bursts throughout the day. It is all about finding what works for you. It is also very important that we know how to manage our time around studies. When it comes to being effective with your time, there are few things you can do. Number 1. Create study schedule and stick to it. Number 2. Avoid distractions while studying. Number 3. Use Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes and then taking a break for about 5 minutes. Now let's talk about applying your learning to real life situations. This can be really helpful for retaining information and making it more meaningful. For example, if you are learning new language, try using it in everyday situations, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. If you are studying history, try to make connections between the past and the present. By applying your learning to real-life situations, you'll be more likely to remember and use the information you have learned. Don't be afraid to try new things, and remember to enjoy the journey of learning. Keep your goals in mind and don't give up on yourself. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on studying and learning. I will be covering a wide range of topics, so there is sure to be something for everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.